mo. Go, sir!
Taga ko, mama.
Sir, go, sir! Ay!
Sunday lang ah.
Hindi mo naman Monday, ha?
Please.
Let's go!
Go, go, go!
What happened, Bella?
Hindi ko na makita yung ano.
Ay, ganun?
Inabot!
Marano. Pero nadapa ka pero bumangon ka, Brad.
Oo, hinahabol ko eh. Hindi
Yeah.
ko makita na yung ano.
Ako na, dalawa na ko itong last loop. Oh.
Ito nga, lumipad na ako doon. Ay, shush. Look, I fly! I became a Superman! Ang putragis yan. Wala mo pa, no cut off sa loop, wala?
Wala!
Hala!
Doon tayo mag-toast ngayon.
Halfway cut off. 50k cut off, and then finish.
Really? 100k?
This was just the warm up.
Yes!
1-on-1 tomorrow. 100K.
Come on, three in.
Wait,
100
DJ
ha?
100, ha?
when is that?
Recovery tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning.
100 kilometers?
I have a nosebleed. Nosebleed.
So, right now you're not...
Don't let me English every time because
Ay,
that's
wala
why
po.
I have cut off eh because ano eh anemic.
Anemic.
Oh, I nosebleed here. I cannot finish.
I thought you're sad because you know...
No.
What?
Wala, yun na yan. Hindi na mag- Hihiga na lang yan.
Hihiga na lang kami. We just sleep here and then we run tomorrow like this.
Alright, go.
Okay? Wala na, awa na.
Wala.
Ito na, matutulog agad.
$30K in the bag.
Thank you, ka. My number 5.
Pinainom akong diet times para nagkaganyan.
Wait. Meron ka na ito? Do you have it like this? Oh! Arnold! Oh!
One more.
Smell ka na lang.
Sa akin ang best. Sa akin ang best.
Do anything from 5 kilometers up to 100
Uy, labas ka dyan. Wala na.
10,000.
kilometers there. We hope that you'll join us as well there.
Laki-laki.
We look forward to welcoming you at one of the future events here. So thank you very much. Have a safe trip home and see you all again. Take care. Bye-bye.
Eh, putang ina. 100 miles. Tingin iba?
Ang kalabang maba.
Okay, so welcome to the Den and then Arnulfo.
Den counts.
Oh, diba? Yan, so we're here to congratulate these two gentlemen who made it really big. And the Jingle Balls Backyard Ultra, that was yesterday, Friday. No? So, nakailang loops ka? Papayo?
13 lang.
13.
Yes.
And ikaw, sa
30 pero late siya eh.
late siya.
Late rin siya. Late rin siya.
Late din kami dalawa eh.
Ba't ka nag-DNF?
Hindi umabot eh.
Hindi umabot daw.
Malakas masyado si Papi Ron.
So yung 13 na ikot na yan, ilang kilometers?
I think is
80?
87.
7.
Wow. So just to give you context, 80 kilometers for 13 loops. That was in last Friday.
Yes, Friday.
Okay. Then, parang okay na sana, tapos na sana yung kanilang race. Pero there was something up in the air. Robert Watson gave them a challenge and I think he made a mistake. So, he challenged them. Anong sinabi ni Robert?
Just show up. Just show up on Saturday and I give you free kit.
Ayun.
Just like, and
Yeah,
then
we
go
just,
for it.
Anong free kit yun?
It's just like
100. Actually, hinihingi namin, idol, ano lang eh. 10k lang eh.
Anong nangyari? Ba't nadagdagan ng isang
100.
siguro?
Kasi Robert give us choice. It's either BJ 100 or BJ 100. It's up to you to accept it.
So dalawang
That's why, BJ 100 and
But-
BJ 100.
Ang problema lang doon, the problem is, parang mali ang natanungan niyan tao.
Yun.
Wrong person to ask. Do you want? Even if you give us 200, we will accept it.
Yun, no.
We
So
can
dahil
do
sa
tomorrow,
cricket,
eh.
yan, warm up nila yung JPBU. Yung main race nila, the next day, yung 100.
100.
Ano yung challenge?
7,000 meter
Pero,
elevation gain.
pero actually, hindi naman namin i-expect yung ano yung gano'n ni Robert. Pero alam namin na generous talaga si Robert.
Yes.
Pero we never expected na hindi nga kami prepared eh. Wait, I don't have ano. I don't have a best.
But
Oh.
I don't have so improvise lang what about that?
Yun. Kaya pinagandaan nyo talaga yung JPBU.
JBB, yes, JBB. Ang
Hindi
pagkain
ng
na
mga to.
nabitin lang talaga.
Pero ang tanong ko ngayon, kay BJ, ano kayo, no? Merchandise.
Yes.
Bakit jacket sa kanya at sa kanya?
Ah,
Yes.
champion and then ano lang, mas mababa sa champion.
Pero titignan mo naman, ano ba to? Silver. Ano to? Silver.
Dapat gold, di ba?
Yes, apakayabang.
Partida ang tawag na ba?
Partida.
Para hindi naman nakakaya sa video.
Kaya,
Gold yung sa akin, silver yung sa'yo.
Sorry.
Para pantay yung
In
last.
fairness, without joking, no? Yung event na nangyari to, yung BJ 100, Jingle Balls Backyard Ultra. Sana magtuloy-tuloy yung event na yan, na mag-grow, na ma-realize ng mga tao no, how good the organizer is. Na lot pyramid, aid station. So wala kang alalahanin. Plus, tinan mo. Ito pa ha.
Generous.
Libre na nga kami ng kit. Nanalo kami. Libre pa ang vest. Libre ang jacket. Libre to.
Saan ka pa?
Saan ka ba, di ba?
Saka sure na alagang-alaga sa
if I were you,
marshals.
yung mga newbie, may mga distance naman na pang newbie, pang intermediate, pang hardcore. So, pwede nyo mag-start.
Choose your poison.
Start. Now. Next event.
See you in Cayaba.
Yun, no?
Yes.
Ikaw din. Ano masasabi mo?
Super
Mahihain to eh.
marshals, tapos in food napaka generous. Then yung mga marshals napakaalaga. Hindi mo expected na ganun sila compare sa mga ibang event. Sa mga ibang event kasi is wala nang kanya-kanya lang talaga. Pero this is synchronized sila, gumalaw lahat. Well cooperative sila lahat. From markings sa lahat, napakaswabe. Wala kang
masasabi?
problema. Yes.
So, if I were you, try.
Yes, sakto next is
Kaya pa.
Cayaba, the festival. Yes.
Philippine Trail Festival.
Yes,
Kaya pa.
kita it's there.
Ayan, kita-kita tayo.
An-
Congratulations dito
And
sa dalawang to.
pare, one thing more. Robert live up to the, what do you call this? The master of pain. Master of pain, really.
Pain your
Really.
chest.
Anong masakit?
Masakit? Masakit ang ruta eh. Pero you will enjoy naman eh. Masakit ang ruta pero you will satisfy your cravings for pain.
Yes. Kaya tayo pumunta dito kasi para masaktan eh.
Yes. Kasi kung ayaw mo masaktan, go na lang sa road and then just
Fun run.
fun run na lang. Pero if you're looking for a challenge to make yourself happy because you endure the pain, which is the RD give us. So, see you next PJ 100.
Yes, next
It will
weekend.
be on next year. No, definitely. So, will be posted
We're
soon.
hoping.
Yeah.
BJ 160.
PJ 160. 160 how many loop men?
16.
16 loops. 16 loops. So, magbabakal na tayo dito sa BJ 100. Bakal naman. Lalo lang yung mga nangungulekta ng bakal. Dito na tayo. After
Pasakita
na,
ng ulo.
ha? Papi Otep.
Ha?
Ayun, no?
Nangungulekta tayo ng bakal. Next is PJ 160.
160. Soon.
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 Yan, soon.
But ito this is a very unprecedented offer, no? So unexpected
Yes,
reach from Robert. He would be offering you the next challenge, 100.
yes.
So I think that's the first that I've heard. Ganito pala yun. Binigyan kayo ng challenge the next day.
I think sa mga naka-race, kasi Muslim nakaka-race naman kami, pero iba si Robert eh. Robert is different. It's not about unlike no other yung mga RD more on cabig eh.
Yes.
But Robert is more on development of
Experience.
The experience.
Yes.
That's what I can say.
It's not about
It's not about the money.
Yes. That's what I can say to the race director of PJ100, the H1, what else? Wala ka na masasabi. So again, see you.
Yep. See you sa
And then,
trail, no?
pare, Robert, thank you.
Yes. Thank
From
you,
the
RJ
bottom
Robert,
of our heart.
for the opportunity.
Yes, for the opportunity to run PJ100. Naririnig ko lang dati-dati to eh.
Pangarap ko nga lang.
Hindi ko in-expect
Eh, ginanon. Kagat.
Hindi, never expected na ganito pala yung BJ100. Masakit din pala. Masakit din pala. Hindi nga, BJ100. Usipin mo, ulitin mo yung 10 loops, parang ang nag-backyard. Pero ito,
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers na 700 gain. Paulit-ulit mong gagawin. Diba?
So, congratulations to these two gentlemen who took up the challenge. First challenge na
Podium pa tayo pare.
nag-podium pa.
Champion
sinong
ata ako.
champion?
Champion ata ako.
Tukwa
Sorry,
kayo.
sorry.
Okay lang pare.
Tanggap mo naman, tanggap mo.
Make up na sila. Okay, so yeah, congratulations gentlemen. Thank you. Tokayo din.
Kayo.
So we'll see you at the Philippine Trail Festival this coming May. So sign up. It's still early, I guess. So thank you very much once again. This is the Den.
Arnulfo, hindi Arnulfo,
Nakasira ng yung pangalan.
Okay ni.
Podcast.
Yes.
Thanks to Bong Bernades for
Yes.
recording this for us. Saludo sa iyo, Angko. See you guys.
As always, brother, Bong Fernandez.